Again, good evening. Today is about January 20th. So, again, by the way, I'm Harky Skinner. Again, I have my curiosity. So, I've been a physiotherapist, no? I've been a physiotherapist. And then, usod ko taon, marathon, no? Again, to feel na to kung unsan muscles nga dali nga mo tightens and then mo over fatigue and then ma-injure, no? Again, nakuha na to for 10 marathons already in London and Macau with a celebrity, no? Nandun ako sa inyong sa coach, no? And then, pero sabat nga, nakuha mo ito akong father, no? Sabat nga, nagpamit sabat nga, mandado nga, sumayo kayo mo, walking siya for 20 minutes, ya? Daily, no drinks, no alcohol, no cigarette. Kaya po isip na igo pag siya, namatay siya ng heart attack pag siya. Yan abot pag mo dito sa kanang one of the pagbularyo mga kon, nadato na mag no? Yung papel, pirmahan, maayo, iibutas yung tubig, mga ito yun, maayo ka. Sus, kada kong binuang, no? Again, muna kada kong binuang, no? Muna akong ikuha, no? And then, napay ka lang sa soto sa una na when I'm working. So, yun pa nga, tambong ng maayo, no? Kada ko. Again, no? So, ako ang together without prayer. And then, morning ako ang i-documentin ako para matuan pa no. See is to believe, no? See is to believe. Naging so, karoon. Nakita man akong nagbuhan ng patients ng cancer, no? And then, education. Education is to pray, no? Again, thank you for the YouTube and then the Facebook, no? Again, sa YouTube tab, natin average, no? So here, 50% na ito ang attention, no, sa viewers, no? Again, number 1 sa Philippines, in USA. There are about 25 countries na nagsunod na ito. 25 countries. Again, thank you. No? Thank you again. This is heart is pure care. Yeah? No injection, no operation, no medicine. And then, just try lang no? Kung namoy yung sakit, just try lang. Again, kung may madaot nyo, kung try lang, okay? Hindi mo natira. Hindi mo sa injection, hindi operation. No? So, just try lang. And then, together without prayer. No? So, I'm here. Name it, no country, no? Canada, sorry, then we have also subscriber, no? May subscribe sa na po. But ang subscriber nito is duha sa US and isa sa Italy, isa sa Spain, isa sa Ireland, isa sa Russia, then duha sa United States, no? Again, yung Manila na ito, and then nakadaghan natin viewers, again, mind really hinambong to help the poor people, yan, no? Prevent, the prevention is better than cure. This is episode 1 by the artist of Pina. Again, I'm Bishop Rapes and then name it. So, may bincho na po ko another step, no? It's about muna ito, heart is pure care. Parang sakit, no? Again, parang sakit. So, it's about the most important is the brain and the heart, no? Name's heart is brain and the heart, no? Again, episode 2, ako ihatan ninyo, no? Exercises direct to the heart. Direct to the heart, no? Again, we see in laboratory test what's the effect. Again, thank you. Once again, thank you. Again, hinambol ko pagtabang sa mga problema to prevent. No? Depende lang sa tao, no? Again, dili ko bright, dili sa ko ano, I'm just ordinary person, no? Help people, no? Especially heartily yung people, no? Naman tayo, mga pobre at tabangan, no? Again, kisa ko na yung tabang sa mga pobre. Again, and of course, pobre naman tao ko. Again, thank you, but together with a prayer, maayo kita, no? Again, thank you.